Hey YouTube, welcome back. As you can see, I have the Lenovo Yoga 7i which I had reviewed in one of my videos. As you know, it has 1 TB. So we will be seeing how we can replace it with a 2 TB NVMe SSD. The SSD that I am having in my hand is a 2 TB SSD, and if you are interested in knowing how to clone the operating system to a SSD like this, do let me know in the comments. So here we have the 1 TB SSD. Let's take it out and fit the 2 TB one. The laptop restarted and I have the disk management application open to show how the 2 TB SSD looks. It has the same partitions as the previous 1 TB SSD since this was cloned using it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my content.